To pay or not to pay an initial consultation fee. This is a battle I have amongst my colleagues, many of whom believe that our quote time is valuable, and therefore we should be charging consultation fees when clients are calling to determine whether or not they want to utilize the services of your law firm. I couldn't disagree more, and if you know me well enough, you'll know I'm going to tell you why. At the Bianchi Law Group, our team of former prosecutors are very serious about what it is that we do because we know that we have the lives of people in our hands. And this isn't just a business proposition. This is a solemn oath, a duty to make sure that we're changing people's lives in a positive way, giving them everything that we can of our talent and our time and our energy in order to achieve an optimal result. Much like going to a dance at the prom, later getting married in life, establishing a relationship with a partner, whether it be business or personal, takes two to tango. And that relationship between the attorney and the client is an intimate bond where we both are making each other better people. It's important that we think alike, our mindset is alike and aligned, and that reasonable expectations of the services that the lawyer can deliver is communicated to the client. Now, we understand at the Bianchi Law Group that many clients are coming to us for the first time through a system. They don't understand anything about it. They're scared. The consequences are significant. Their lives are somewhat unraveling. So we have to be everything like a mother and a father and a brother and a lawyer and a counselor. And there's a lot going on. It's a deep responsibility. So why don't I believe in initial consultations? Because I believe it is just as important when the client is interviewing the lawyer to see whether or not the lawyer is a right fit for them, that in this dance we're about to engage in, that I interview you to see if you're a good fit for us. You see, folks, lawyering is not all equal. Philosophies of law firms differ. And in this intense environment, especially in criminal law, domestic violence, or when we represent the victims in the cases where they're victims of crimes and we're trying to assist them navigating the criminal justice process. It's intense. And sometimes people's expectations are unrealistic. And there's many times that I don't believe that I'm going to be able to meet the expectations of that client. And irrespective of their ability to pay a fee, they won't be a client at the Bianchi Law Group. It wouldn't be right to them. It wouldn't be right to us. And at the end, that marriage will end in a divorce, euphemistically speaking, of course. So when new clients come to us, and I personally handle most of the new potential clients with my office manager, Robert, we are very attuned to listening very carefully. And in that call, another thing that we do, which a lot of our colleagues don't do and don't agree with, and that's fine, everybody has a right to differ, is I want to know everything about the case. I want to know about all the facts. I want to know as much as I can. I want to offer general insights as to the sentencing code and what degree crime it is, and give data to the client, give them value. I want to see how they respond to that value. I want to see how they respond to the legal cadence when I explain the criminal justice process and how it starts with the arraignment and all the way through to a trial. And I explain the plea bargaining process and what a prosecutor does and what our law firm does and our law firm philosophy and how we run our law firm and our policies and procedures. I give it all, even to somebody who I know ultimately will not be able to afford our services. I have no problem spending an hour or more on the phone, giving them as much information as I can so that when they're making the next call to a potential lawyer who may be less expensive than ourselves, they've already listened to an attorney and are better educated to ask better questions. So to charge an initial consultation fee or not, I don't think it's a good idea. I mean, I think the best thing that can happen to the lawyer is not charge the fee. And if it's not the right fit, turn that client away. I don't want to establish a business relationship with somebody right from the very beginning. It's not fair to them to make them charge a fee just to be graced with my presence. Okay. So I don't agree with it. And I think it's a great opportunity for the client to get to know the lawyer to get to know the client, and to make sure that there's enough investing of time that the lawyer's giving to the client, and for the client, for the lawyer, to make sure that the client has realistic expectations, is respectful, will treat your staff with respect, will listen to your advice and respect your advice, All those things are important to have that mutual beneficial relationship to achieve optimal results. So if you like what you've seen here, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We love doing these videos at the Bianchi Law Group. Coming soon, BLGCALE, continuing legal education credits. I love it because we've been a certified criminal trial lawyer, my law partner as well, and our team of former prosecutors. We just love being able to educate lawyers and educate young people and educate anybody who's interested in the topics of law. So thanks for listening. If you like it, please listen to some of our other videos. Thanks.